Okay. In this problem, we have a pulley with mass. It's on some kind of a pivot right here. And we've got two different masses. And we're going to release them from rest. And we want to solve for A. Okay. So we're going to go ahead. Mass 1 is bigger. I'm going to go ahead and call that the positive direction. So to solve this, we're going to take the sum of the forces and the sum of the torques. So the sum of the forces for M2, this is going to be T2, the tension number 2. This will be T1. So we have for mass 2, the sum of the forces is going to equal to T2 minus M2G equals M2A. That's the force for that. For mass 1, the sum of the forces equals M1G minus T1 equals M1A. Now for the pulley, we're going to do the sum of the torques. They can't be the same on either side, on both sides, because then the pulley wouldn't move. One side's got to be greater than the other. So for the pulley, the sum of the torques is going to be M1, or T1, I'm sorry, T1R, R is the distance to the lever arm, minus T2R equals I alpha. And that's about all we've got there. So I'm going to go ahead and for I alpha, I'm going to write it as 1/2 mR squared. That's the moment of inertia of a solid cylinder, right? And alpha is A over R. And so now you can see that one of these R's will cancel with that, and that R will cancel with these. So it's kind of going to be very clean. It's a nice clean expression. We have T1 minus T2 equals 1/2 MA. And now we have everything in terms of A, no alphas. Okay? Now I can just make a expression for T2. T2 equals M2A plus M2G. And T1 equals, let's see, I'll pop it over there, M1G minus M1A. So we've got, I'm sorry, that's T1. M1G minus M1A minus M2A minus M2G equals 1/2 big M A. All right, I'm solving for A, so let me get all my terms for A on one side. So on this side I have M1G minus M2G equals big M over 2A, and then plus M2A, and then plus M1A. All right, this is pretty cute. So G, I'll pull it out, M1 minus M2 equals A times big M over 2 plus little m over 2 plus M1, and then we'll go ahead and divide both sides. M over 2 plus M2 plus M1. And that's your solution for A. You want to go ahead and put the numbers in now, y'all? Okay, let's do it then. All right. So A is going to equal to 9.8 meters per second squared times M1 minus M2. M1 is 20 kgs minus M2 minus 2 kgs divided by 2.5 kg over 2, right? M over 2? Yeah. Plus 20 kgs plus 2 kgs. And hopefully I picked some logical numbers. Let's give it a go.
This is I can't see.
All right. I get 7.58 meters per second squared.